Well, it's the next day of wet sanding. Got the whole roof done last night. I'm working on the package tray. Thing about wet sanding is take your time. Don't rush. Unless you're working for somebody and you have a boss that doesn't appreciate the time and effort that it actually takes to do these old cars. But other than that, just take your time. This right here is the key to a beautiful paint job. I'm using 600 grit, of course wet. Keep it wet. And for your final prep, go across the whole distance of whatever panel you're working on in one continuous motion. Just keep your sand scratches straight. Hopefully going into the paint booth on the 21st of this month. Anyways, you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching.